Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we have an exciting announcement from the CEO of Crypto.com. I cannot wait to tell you guys about Crypto.com, and Cronos is growing, and we've got some numbers to show it today, not to mention a new partnership that is coming, a very new one from an old friend of Crypto.com that we're going to talk about. But you know, we got a lot that's happening. The Feds are going to be raising interest rates tomorrow, but by how much and what's that going to do to the crypto markets? There is a lot to go over today. If you guys like this kind of content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos every single day. And when we get 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So you don't want to miss out on that. Let's look at these charts. They're beautiful. We are still above $1 trillion. And guys, Bitcoin strong on the $20,000 price level. Ethereum just below $1,600 today. The markets are cooling off after the meme coin mania over the last 7 days. 121% gain for Dogecoin over the last 7 days. And yes, Elon Musk is considering putting a crypto wallet onto Twitter, which would be not only bullish for Dogecoin, as we know, but crypto in general. This is very good for a huge company like Twitter to be bringing crypto into the folds. But they're not the only one, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that in a second. Also, looking at Cronos, holding strong at 11 cents, FTX at 25 cents. So the crypto markets are doing all right. But here's the story. Tomorrow, oh, wait, let's get to this one first. Britain's new prime minister, haven't heard of him in a while. You know, he came out, he was a Bitcoin bro. A lot of people were excited, but there's really hopes that he'll give the industry a boost. As finance minister, Rishi Sunak was a very vocal advocate of crypto and blockchain technology. Now that he is prime minister, he could give the industry a boost at a time when it needs good news. And we all know we've been in a bear market. We could use the good news right now with digital assets having plummeted in value. There are a number of ways you could do so in offering a regulatory clarity. Also among the top requests from crypto firms and investors. So this is something that he could, and crypto friendly, mind you, but he could bring crypto friendly regulation to the table in a time where we've heard a lot about, I'm sure you heard about Sam Bankman-Fried and some of his crypto regulation and the controversy between him and one of those large crypto channels out there, BitBoy Crypto. There's a little bit of a battle going on, but we need folks that are on the right side of crypto, and I do believe that, his intentions seem true. Everybody's calling him a crypto bro. He seems it so far, but we'll have to keep an eye on Prime Minister Rishi Sunak. Let's see what he does there. So that's one thing, across the pond that he is doing. So that's cool to see. But what's going on in our homeland? Well, right now, we are waiting. It is November 1st today, and stocks closed lower today as Wall Street is bracing for the key Fed decision. According to CNBC, everybody's talking about this Fed decision right now. And we're waiting to see, will Federal Chair Jerome Powell get dovish? Will he move from his hawkish standpoint and move the interest rates up again and make this the final rate hike of a 0.75% basis hike? I think that there is a chance that is it. And from there, he even starts to taper in 2023. If he starts to bring the rates back down in 2023, that would prove very good news for not only crypto markets, but markets overall. And so everybody's anticipating this right now. And we're seeing the markets move, kind of waiting for this decision. People are scared right now. An interest rate hike isn't really good for the markets, but if it's the final interest rate hike and the interest rate hikes have done their job, then moving into 2023, things are looking good. So isn't it time to start buying again? At least that's the thought. So we're going to have to see what happens, but this is big news. Here's a quote here I wanted to read for you. It's an interesting thought. Anytime you get good news, the market doesn't like it because it just means that the Fed is probably going to be tightening more and potentially for longer. We're still in the bad news is good news cycle. So this is pretty interesting. And I think what he means here is, a 75% basis, 75 point interest rate hike is a good thing, right? But it's a bad thing in the short term, but it's a good thing for the long-term vision. Jerome Powell is trying to get these markets back on track, and he's only really got a couple tools, raising the rates and lowering them. Right now, he's got to raise them to get this boat back on track, and then eventually he can lower them again. So we're going to have to see, what happens here. And I think Crocoin, I think the crypto markets in general, I think the regular markets, Wall Street included, will be moving tomorrow. One way or another. We've been coiling. The regular markets, the Wall Street folks have been buying a little bit lately, and they're selling off a little bit leading into this decision because of fear. But we're going to have to keep an eye on this. Some other news that came out recently, I got to show you guys. Visa and Crypto.com have partnered up again. Now, keep in mind, guys, Crypto.com did an awesome thing a while ago where they launched, yes, indeed, they did, the Visa cards. I'm sure you guys saw. I have the rose gold card. I got it a while ago. I am a big Crypto.com fan. So I went at it and I got that rose gold card. The benefits were a lot better back then. I know that. Leave me a chat in the comments down below what your thoughts are on the benefits right now. They're not as good as they used to be. I personally understand why, because, it's a bear market. They're trying to survive. They've been trying to do things like this where they partner up with Visa in a different way, and acquisitions for headquarters in France and acquisitions in South Korea for other exchanges. So they've done a lot, but they had to take away their benefits. So that's kind of where I fall on that. But, they've been an OG partner with Visa, and they have these Visa cards. Well, now they've got a new partnership coming out. Visa Crypto.com partner for the World Cup, which, by the way, Crypto.com is the exclusive sponsor in terms of crypto for the World Cup coming up. Which is very, very exciting, and I think that will be bullish news on its own. But now they have a partnership with Visa, and they're going to be doing exclusive NFTs, I guess 5 exclusive NFTs off of some of the large players in this competition. And these are going to be very interesting, where they're basically going to put these devices on these soccer players and get some kind of a fancy graphic in conjunction with the movement as they play the game during the cup. And these are going to be these exclusive NFTs. So we'll see how this goes. Soccer players might eat these up. They might love it. And it might just be a good news story. But it's just really cool to see these partnerships continuing for Crypto.com. Again, Crypto.com is the only one doing the sponsorship here with Visa on this front. And I think there's a lot more to come. So this is really cool to see. But the biggest news of the day is definitely this. Look at this tweet by Chris Marsliak. I'm going to zoom in here. There is no time to build like the bear market. We crossed 70 million users. The 70 million user milestone. We did it, guys. We are at 50 million. Now we're at 70 million. Binance was at 90 million. Now it's at 120 million. We are growing, and in comparison to Binance, we're actually growing a little bit faster, which is cool to see. Our growth rate is just still slightly quicker than Binance for Crypto.com. But look, both of these exchanges are doing a spectacular job. In case you didn't see it, Binance donated, I think it was 50 or maybe even $500 million over to Twitter to start helping Twitter in getting their crypto wallet started and start assisting with getting Twitter involved with crypto and Elon Musk. And now look, Crypto.com's got these partnerships here with Visa. They're the exclusive sponsor for the FIFA World Cup, and they're crossing the 70 million user threshold. Now, I think it's very curious, and this is just a thought. I think it's very, very interesting that they came out with this announcement about the 70 million users just a couple weeks before this FIFA World Cup event starts. You ever think why that is? Well, I'm going to tell you what I'm thinking. I think they wanted to get out their most recent number ahead of this event. Why? Because I think they want to be able to show the community, us, me and you, and the internet, and everybody across the world, where they're at before the event and how many users they get after the event. Because, guys, I think they're going to get a lot of new users from this event. I personally am bullish for November and December. And if the markets are bullish, and notice, people are starting to freak out about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Doge on Mars, you name it. Tectonic, a great project, has been pumping as well. Everybody's getting into some of these altcoins. These altcoins are getting very, very exciting right now. And so I think there's a chance that, they have a very good opportunity to get some more users, because if crypto's hot and they're promoting their exchange, 1 and 2 makes 3, I think they're going to get more users, and I think they're going to do it in a big way. And so I think that's part of why they're announcing this right now, leading up. I've been waiting for them to announce this amount of users, but they're growing, guys, and they're showing it. And I love this comment. There is no time to build like the bear market. Spoken from a true leader. Very, very good to hear him speaking like this, because it's the truth. You're building your portfolio in the bear market. Well, Crypto.com is building their user base and building their infrastructure and building their marketing deals every single day. And another huge thing that they're working on, guys, everything is coming together here. Thank you for your patience, everyone. We are now back online, says Chris Marsliak. Give Crypto.com Exchange Gen 3 a spin and let us know your feedback. They have upgraded. We officially have Crypto.com Exchange Generation 3. They are working to get better and better. This is huge. They've got not only an exchange where you can see real candlesticks, real charts. They've also got the app, which is very user-friendly, more like a Robinhood. They've also got the DeFi platform, which is, as you know, very, very large. Guys, there is so many things going on. They are taking steps in the right direction every single day. I absolutely am so excited to see how many users they really get in this next leg up, in this next event for Crypto.com at the FIFA World Cup. But guys, one thing I want to show you, we've talked a little bit about Tectonic, and I could keep scrolling all the way down, but Tectonic is a very low cap coin. So let me type it in real quick. I want to give you a little update on Tectonic real quick. So let's peek at it. Right now, Tectonic is in a very interesting spot. We've talked about this a little bit, where they are trying to break this previous floor at, a couple zeros, 1879. They basically got there the other day. In fact, they went just a little bit above it, but it came right back down. Everybody's waiting to see what's going to happen with the Fed decision. Guys, if the Fed decision is dovish, if Federal Chair Jerome Powell comes out tomorrow and crypto markets pump, I think there's a very good chance, a very, very good chance that Tectonic could break above this high and then start sailing, because look at what we've got. We don't have a lot of resistance coming up for Crypto.com. Here, let me go to the candle chart real quick to just show you a little better view. It's not pulling up here. But guys, we've got a lot of upside for Tectonic, considering how far it's come down from when it initially launched back at the end of 2021, early 2022. But we are at a pivotal moment as well, I must say, because there's a chance we could come right back down and we could start kind of coming back down to these levels. If the crypto markets fall, it's all riding on a Fed decision and the sentiment of Wall Street traders and large whales in the crypto market. We are excited. We're eager to see what happens here tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow's the day. So hope you enjoyed October. We ended October bullish, which was good to see. Can we get that bullish November, that bullish December we've been looking for? Can Crypto.com continue to climb? Will it gain more users and get more adoption and more Cronos holders for this next bull cycle? And can Tectonic Finance start flying? I'm very excited to see. We'll keep bringing content your way, 4 videos every single day. If you guys like this kind of content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you've got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.